solve this equation for x and give your answer correct to two decimal places. Question says you have to give your answer in two correct decimal places. Okay. 5x bracket x plus 2 equal to 3. Yes, solution. First we change this into quadratic equation format. That is, open the bracket first. We had 5x square, 15x, 3 you can bring this side, minus 3 equal to 0. 10. 5 2s are 10, this is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. Now, below this later side of the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Take the value of a, 5. Value of b is 10. C value is minus 3. Now I use the formula of x minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we are using the formula. You are putting the value minus b value is 10. So write 10 within bracket plus minus. This is 10 squared minus 4. A value is 5. C value is minus 3. Upon 2 into 5. This is coming minus 10 plus minus 100 minus minus becomes plus 60 divided by 10. Here I get minus 10 plus minus root 160 by 10. Now root 160 value, how to find? Okay. Root 160 value is not available over here in this page. The page which I was talking about, even in the log book, more than 100 value is not available. More than 100 is not available. Now how to take the value? But there is another column given just beside that is given like this. Root 10n is given. Root 10n is given. There is a column of root 10n is given. If you have the book, you can see that. Last few pages, the first page you have where square roots are given, there is root 10n. If you remove 10, I mean keep aside 10, then what is the number? N value is how much? 16. That means 16 value is given in the book 12.649. So we will add that value. Minus 10 plus minus 12.649 upon 10. No video on this. Value how to find? You can see the table at the end. Last page, they have given root 10n is written. Root 10 in column you see. 10 multiplied by n. If you separate 10, then you have n value coming 16, 1 6. The value will come in the table 12.649. Okay. Have you seen the value? Please check with the book. Okay. If you are not sure, please check with the book. Then your answer of x will come as minus 10 plus 12.649 by 10, comma minus 10 minus 12.649 by 10. We'll subtract first. We get 2.649 by 10, comma minus 22.649 by 10. Remove 0 point will be shifted back, that is 0.2649. This will become minus 2.2649. Now we are rounding off according to the question. Two decimal places. That means third number is 4, this number is additive. That means 0.26 and out here will become minus 2.26. This one and this one is also. Okay, this is how we have completed. Now we are finding we are showing the working for this answer. Working for this answer, root 160. Can I rub this part? Please see the working once again. We are having 160, let us write 160.0 like this, pair, 0 pair, 0 pair I write. Please see once again if you are not understood it well, so please try to understand. Please try to understand how we are finding. First I write 160.000000. We have the answer how much? What is the answer here? 12. First number is just write 12, here also write 12. 12 12 is how much? 144 is right. Subtract. Point will go and comes here. The same number you write here. 12 will be add become 24. After 12 point, what is the next number here? 6. You can add 6 over here, write 6. And these two zeros copy at once together. Now multiply 6 into 6, 36, carry 3. 6 4s are 27 plus 3, 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 30. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9. 6 in the 36, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 6 to the 12 plus 2, 14. So there was a mistake in multiplication. I have corrected. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1. Again, double zero will copy. Then this number 6 write and add 2, 5, 2. Now, according to the answer, what is the next number? 4. Let us write 4 over here and 4 over here multiply. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. Like this. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 3, 2. This double zero will copy and the last answer we are supposed to get 9. Just write 9 and multiply. 9 9s are 18, 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 44. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22, carry 2. 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47, carry 4, 22. No need to do further one. This is the answer. This is the answer we will show you. So this is how you have to show the working in the rough side. Did you understand? Yes, Amarnath. Hello. We are already having the answers there. Only we are just showing the working. And as per the answers over there, we will be writing those numbers and multiply as per the answers. Okay. If you cannot see right now, then you see watch the video. So I will do one more question. Solve the following equation, and the equation is given like this: x minus 18 by x is equal to 6. This is the equation given. You have to solve it. Solve. And give your answer correct to two significant figures. Correct to two significant figures. The question says significant figures. Solve this equation and give your answer correct to two significant figures now. Two significant figures. Okay, now see the solution. First we will copy the equation x minus 18 by x is equal to 6. Below this we have 1. Let us change this into quadratic equation first. X into x become x square. This will become 18. This is 6. This will become x square minus 18 is equal to 6x. Get everything on one side. You get x square minus 6x minus 18 equal to 0. Now, below this I write standard equation. Take the value of a, b, c. Yes? Yeah, this is the question. Solve x minus 18 by x is equal to 6 and give your answer correct to two significant figures. So we are taking LCM, carrying on and getting the equation in the quadratic form. A value is 1, B value is minus 6, C value is minus 18. Now I use the formula of x. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us put the value, right? Minus b value is how much? Minus 6. So minus 6 plus minus root b square, b is minus 6, right? Minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 18 by 2 into 1, 2a. Now we are finding the answer. This is coming 6 plus minus root 36 minus minus plus 72 by 2 ones are 2. 6 plus minus, this is coming 108 on 2. Now how to take the value of root 108? Okay. Okay, but just see how we are finding the value of root 108. Root 108 value will not be available in the page. Okay, because value in the page is given up to root 100 or anything with the 0 coming, like previously I had done root 160, so that means root 10n form, that form is also available, but at the end there is no 0 coming, it is coming 8. How to find the value now in this case? Okay, for this case 108 will break down. Take LCM, let us take LCM. 254, 227, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. We'll make pair. For 2 2 we'll add 1 2 as answer. For 2 3 we'll add 1 3. This 3 remains alone. Then answer come 2 3s are 6, 6 root 3. 6 plus minus we can write as 6 root 3 by 2. We are breaking down into smaller. Let's prime factor here. For 2 2s we write 1 2, for 2 3 we write 1 3, and this is single, so this will remain as it is, root 3. We are allowed to take common and cancel this. I take 6 common, it will become 1 plus minus root 3 by 2. 2 and 3 I can cancel. Now I get 3 bracket 1 plus minus root 3. I think root 3 value we all know. Root 3 value we are supposed to know also. Root 3 value is 1.732. I put that value. For this you need not to see the table. And even you see that table, root 3 is available in the page. You can see that value also. Now I write like this. Yeah, 1.732. Now I separate and find two answers, one with the plus sign, one with the minus sign. 3 write like this, 1 plus 1.732, comma 3 outside 1 minus 1.732. Now I will be adding 1 plus 1 become 2. 2.732, comma 3, subtracting you get minus 0.732. With 3 I'll multiply. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9. Like this is coming. With 3 I'll multiply. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 7 to the 21. Like this is coming with the minus sign. Now we have to give the answer in two significant figures. What is the meaning of significant figure? Means all together two figures. Starting from beginning. But beginning zeros are not counted. Then here's the significant figure will be 8 point. This is 9, so this will be becoming 2. So we'll add 8.2. 8.2. Two numbers altogether, 1, 2. Two significant figures. Here I'll be writing minus 2.2. 9 is making this number 2. So this is the answer. This one and this one is the answer. We can put the answers in curly bracket. Like this. Yes. You have any question? Any clarification you want to make?